Good day, everybody, my subscribers and my students out there. Welcome once again to Flicker Brains. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what we have done so far this month on our AdSense account. Okay, let me log into the account and show you guys what we have done. So looking at the screen, you can see what's here. This is my live AdSense dashboard, and you can see what we have done so far on this account. Many of you that have been on this channel for a while, you notice that this account is the account I normally drop update on. This account, I've been posting updates on this account since last year beginning. You can see what we have done so far on the account. This month, we have loaded the account to like $3,000, and we are still pushing in more traffic. You can see this today so far, what was done. And from here, you can see the balance. What was balanced from our last month's work, what we loaded last month, we balanced, the money was balanced $20,000 on the account, and we are still planning to push more. Let me reload this. I'm going to also show you guys other accounts I'm working on. There's a partnership account I was working on last month, and it was also balanced. Let me show you that account. Okay, so you can see what's on the dashboard. You can see that the accounts, you're seeing what we are doing on the accounts. This account is fully automation process. This account doesn't have any organic traffic. You can see the balance, what was received from the balance. $7,000 was received from last month's work. Fully automation process. This account don't have any organic traffic. You can see this month's work too, what was loaded on the account. This is 2,000. You can see today so far. We are still pushing in more traffic. And below self, you can see my CPC. You can see the CPC is also high. You make use of quality cookies to also work on this account. So you can see the CPC is also high. It's a very good account. There's one more account I'm also going to show you guys. That account is also a partnership account I'm working on too. I think that account we have loaded it roughly like $10,000, so it was balanced from last month's work. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, so you can see it here. You can see what we have done so far. Even this account this month, we have roughly loaded like $3,000. This is roughly $3,000, 2.8. See the balance too. You can see $10,000, and you can see this month's work too. You can even see today so far. Okay, everything is moving smoothly, fully automated process. Below, you can also see my CPC. Below, my CPC is high, $3.83. Very high CPC because of the quality of the cookies we make use of. So all these accounts are fully loaded with my automation process. Fully automation process. No, I don't work with manual method. Okay, so if you have a good account that have received a lot of payments in the past, an account that have good payment history, you can bring it up and our partnership on that account, work on the account. Me and you share the revenue. While if you want to learn my method, maybe you have a method that is not working, you want to learn my method and know how it works, I also teach. In the description box, you will see my contact info there. You can contact me and I'll teach you everything regarding this loading method. You can also implement this on your AdSense account. This automation method can work on both accounts that doesn't have organic traffic and accounts that has organic traffic. But if your account has organic traffic, you are at more advantage because the risk of getting little ads limit is very low. But most of you that don't have an account that have organic traffic, at some point while you're loading, you might come up with ad limit, but that's not a problem. We already have techniques to raise ad limits. 3 working days, you will not see ad limit again. Highest 7 weeks, but that's an account for that doesn't have account that gets that ad limit quickly is account that has little problem. So regardless, for more inquiries, you can click on the description box below. You see my contact info. Have a nice day, guys.